Your body fights every single day. Pollution, stress, toxins, and time. But what if nature had a stronger defense? Introducing RRR-Cel, the world's most advanced botanical antioxidant supplement. Made from 100% natural ingredients, extracted with cutting-edge supercritical CO2 technology, preserving up to 3 times more nutrients for real results. Boost your immunity, slow down aging, heal from within. RRR-Cel targets inflammation, detoxifies gently, controls hair loss, improves skin glow, and recharges your energy naturally. Powered by nature's strongest antioxidants, astaxanthin, curcumin keto, phytoceramides, and gamma-oryzanol, RRR-Cel doesn't just protect your cells, it rejuvenates them. Feel the power of regeneration. Experience RRR-Cel. Healing, naturally advanced. Visit mylifecareworld.com today.